Hi, and welcome to another edition of our blog. Kelley and I recently attended the first ever Screen Printing Academy in the beautiful Los Angeles, California. During the class, we were instructed on the basics of artwork, screen preparation, and printing. We discovered some new techniques for coating screens in our darkroom, uses a cleanup pass to fix any mistakes that were made in the original coating. This not only cleans up our mistakes, but takes off any excess emulsion, which reduces our costs as well. We were shown how to separate colors using Adobe Illustrator and how to print halftone images using a software package called Accurate. Ryan Moore showed us how to convert images to a vector drawing so that we can shrink, enlarge, and clean up our designs given to us by our clients. In the printing room, we were able to print t-shirts using Spot, 4-color process, and simulated process. You can see here a 2-color Spot design that uses Plastisol ink. It features a yellow and black bumblebee that is done with wet on wet, which means no flashing in between printing. 2-color designs are easy upgrades that puts more money in your pocket and gives a better design for your customer. We also found that you don't have to place your design in the center of the shirt. Kelley moved the design down and off center, and it gives a whole new look to the shirt. Here is an all-over print. This design was so big that it had to be printed on a specially made press that is just perfect for large designs. You can see that experience really pays off as Ryan makes it look so easy. We tried pushing and pulling the squeegee just to get a feel for the printing. I must admit, it was difficult. We did learn about the danger zone, which is the point on the squeegee that when you cross it, it's a good chance that you'll have ink on your hands. This design used a 24-inch squeegee. It definitely takes 2 hands as well as holding your breath to get a good print. We used water-based ink which cleans up with water and some elbow grease. This is a 3-color Spot print, wet on wet, that uses halftones. We found out that the order in which you print the design has a big effect on how the t-shirt will look when finished. The color that you really want to bring out should be done at the end. We got to experiment with changing the order around so that we could see the different effects it had on printing. You can see Ryan looking over our shoulders throughout printing. This is a great part about the class where he can show you exactly what you are doing wrong and hopefully right. We were also able to experiment with the heat press. This allowed us to put foil on our designs to give a completely unique look to our shirts. We also used the heat press to print designs on wall plaques and puzzles using a process known as sublimation. Along with printing with foil and sublimation, we could use a special heat transfer paper and adhesive to print a design to be heat pressed to the t-shirt at a later time. Class is now over. As you can see, we made a lot of t-shirts. We learned quite a bit and had a great time. Thank you, Ryonet.